All right, so we're gonna have to do another back to the basics video real quick on the cellophane strip, where it goes. Do you need to peel it or do you not need to peel it? If it's installed right, you do not need to peel it off. So let me kind of get through the basics, visual for you guys that may not know. Apparently, whoever installed this roof did not know. They've got, and by the way, yes, this is an old discontinued, I believe, New Horizon shingle, but what we're pointing out is the cellophane strip right here. People say you gotta peel it to stick. No, what you gotta do is install it right. Whoever did this didn't do it right. So what they did is they took a shingle upside down. See the granule side there? You can see the cellophane strip right there. Most cellophane strips even say do not peel, manufacturer to comply with whatever. By the way, if you look right there, you can see it is, I believe that's the Certainty logo, the roofing collection right there. The other thing to point out, on their hip and ridge, Certainty is notorious for clipping some of their decorative higher end cap right there like this. I believe this is an old discontinued New Horizon shingle, but we're talking about cellophane strip. So people out there say, oh, you've got to pull the cellophane strip. Let me explain briefly with this visual of what that actually is doing right there, and that you do not, I repeat, do not need to peel the cellophane strip off. If you do, you're wasting your time. I mean, if you want to, go for it, but you're wasting your time. If you install the roof right, you don't need to peel the plastic. This was installed wrong. These are never going to stick down because they're right in line with the plastic cellophane strips right here. So all that is for, and it doesn't matter what asphalt shingle manufacturer you're using, however they're manufactured and designed based on how they flip them, turn them, stack them, whatever. All that is for is so the cellophane is to line up with this tar. If you put these new shingles in a bundle and stack them, those would heat up and stick down. That's the only thing that's there for. In transit, from after they've manufactured, they're stacked in bundles on a skid, transferred to yards, warehouses, sitting until they're installed on the roof so they don't stick. So installing a starter row with your shingle upside down with a cellophane strip like this is a really bad idea. Don't do it. Now for those that need to peel it, when you install these correctly, again, it doesn't matter. Some brands flip them, some are upside down, but somewhere on the shingle, if you lift this up right here, you'll either see it right here in the middle on the front, on the middle on the back, at the top side on the front, or the top side on the back. However it is typically to line up wherever your cellophane and your tar line up in the bundle. So again, to reiterate, you do not need to peel it. When you flip these off the bundle and you install this shingle, and you flip the next one, you install this shingle, it'll heat up, stick to the shingle under it. That plastic is on the bottom of this shingle, upside down, up here, hitting the roof deck. Its sole purpose is so they do not stick in the bundle right there. I get a ton of comments on the channel. I mean, it doesn't bother me, but this is for those that may be getting ready to install a roof, like, wow, I need to do this. I had a guy tell me, he's like, if you're gonna do my roof, you're gonna peel all the plastic off. If you don't want to understand why the plastic is there, that you don't need to peel it off, I don't want to do the job for you. I mean, no offense, that's fine. You know best, find somebody that's gonna do that. It doesn't need to get done. You don't need to peel it. It's solely there so they do not stick. I hope this is a visual for you. The only thing else I can do, which I've done in other videos, is show you a bundle. Take it off out of the bundle and they're lined up so they do not stick in the package. That's all that strip is for. Unless it does not stay stuck to the shingle where it's designed to be and peels up and sticks over your seal strip, then yes, peel it off. So a visual of that, you need a visual, let's see. This has been here for a while. Imagine this when you pull this bundle, it does this right here, right? And it's stuck to your seal strip right there. Then yes, peel that guy off, right? Stuck to my camera from the static. That will allow this to activate if it sticks to that. Doesn't matter one bit if it's on there. Well, the impression's still transferred into that. All right. I hope this gives you a little bit better of a visual because I still get comments on the channel. Peel the plastic. Oh, this roofer doesn't know what he's talking about. Just think about it. If you want to prove me wrong, comment down below. Logically spell out why what I'm doing is wrong and what I'm saying is wrong. I'd love to hear a comment that I'm telling you something that's not true. Explain it, please, for the community here. All right, until next time, be safe. I'll see you then.